we're making Banitsa, a Bulgarian cheese pastry, because I have this special cheese that my Bulgarian friend gave me. Here's what you'll need. I've got 5 8 to 10 inch pie pans, a large bowl and a spoon for mixing the ingredients, and this is what I'm using to brush the butter on before we put it in the oven. I'm making a pretty large batch, so this is 2 boxes of fresh refrigerated phyllo dough. You want to make sure to use this instead of the frozen stuff, or a very easy recipe will become very difficult. This is 900 grams of the Bulgarian sirene, a feta type cheese. I've used feta once before for this recipe, but this tastes different and I'm excited to try the real thing. This is 10 eggs. We have 500 grams or 1 large container of plain Greek yogurt, half a cup of cold water, 1 1/4 cup of any light cooking oil, and this is 4 tablespoons of butter. You'll just need enough to melt down and brush over the banitsa before you put it in a 375-degree oven. Start by cracking your eggs into a bowl. Then crumble up your cheese as fine as you can into the eggs. We'll add our yogurt and our oil and cold water. And then we'll mix this together. Now we're going to go ahead and oil our pie tins. There we go. Now we're ready to roll out our first package of phyllo dough. You want to leave the second one in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Now we just spread a thin layer of our mixture on each sheet of phyllo dough and place it into your pie tin. So we're going to keep this a thin layer to make sure it gets to all the sides. We can spread it out with our hands. And then we'll roll it up gently. And place it in our pie tin. And we're going to put these in a spiral. Now we brush these with the melted butter before we put them in the oven. And then we put them in the oven for 45 minutes. You can rotate those halfway through cooking. The banitsa is ready. Let's take a couple of them out of the oven and see how they turned out. Now we just let these sit for 20 minutes before we cut them up and eat them. It's ready to eat. Let's see how it tastes. And there you have it, Bulgarian banitsa.